All right, good morning. Well, more cities are starting out this morning with hazy skylines.
All because of those growing wildfires in Canada, hundreds of them.
Yeah, smoke from those fires drifting its way south, bringing with it dangerous air quality and scenes like that. Right now, some of the world's worst air quality is in Chicago, Minneapolis, Detroit, while New York and D.C. were just added to that list of bad air quality cities as well. The wildfires in Canada, generating all this smoke, have burned an area about the size of South Carolina.
So let's get right to meteorologist Scott Withers for a closer look at the danger right now and how it will change throughout the day. Hopefully good news coming, Scotty?
Yes, there's going to be some systems that blow some of the smoke out of some cities and into others. This smoke is just clogging the skies from basically the Statue of Liberty to the nation's capital, all the way across to the western shores of the Mississippi River. 120 million Americans under air quality alerts this morning. I think we've got some live video of Cincinnati we want to show you. This is also what it looks like on our satellite map here. You can see what's happening. Just like 2 weeks ago, we got two systems here, and that smoke is funneling down from Canada and gets stuck between those two systems. Then the smoke is moving to the east and to the south. Right there, that is Cincinnati, what it looks like today across the river there. You can see the haze in the background. Now, as this moves, the good news is for Wisconsin, you're getting a break into Chicago. Same thing. Bad news is everyone east, Detroit and the cities eastward, you're going to get the smoke, and it's going to be thick again today. National correspondent Mara Siriana is taking a look at the worsening qualities across the U.S. Mara, tell us what's going on this morning. Where is it really bad?
Hey, Scott. Well, for starters, I just talked to my sister in Pittsburgh. She said it's so bad there that when you walk outside, you actually have to focus on your breathing. She said it's just air you can feel, you can smell it. It's just gross. So in Pittsburgh, that's just one city where they're waking up to yet another code red air quality day. And folks in many other cities, unfortunately, are in the same boat. So let's pull up a map. This is a list of the top U.S. cities with the worst air quality today, 4 of which are ranked in the top 10 worldwide. That's pretty bad. Chicago, D.C., Minneapolis, Detroit, and NYC. You guys are all suffering the poorest air quality in the country. Baltimore, you're also under a code red air quality today that is due to high smoke particle concentration, again, from those wildfires. Now, people in those cities, you're waking up to smoke blanketing the skies, creating a haze and even a strong smoky smell, like I mentioned, in the air. This video from Cincinnati, it shows smoke from Canada continuing to pour down. And then in Chicago, the mayor's office there warning residents to take precautions, specifically asking those with chronic lung or heart conditions basically just to stay inside. Choose some indoor activities today if you can. Some health experts have even warned these particles are so small they can even get into your bloodstream. That is incredibly scary. But here's a look at what to expect for the rest of the day. We mentioned Pittsburgh, for example. While it's bad there right now, like Scotty said, the smoke is expected to move east throughout the day, which could give folks in some cities a bit of relief. But Scott, I have a question for you. On my phone, I got an air quality alert for here in Atlanta. It's a code orange. Does that have anything to do with these fires? And also, when can our friends up north finally get some relief?
Yeah, so we're going to get to the smoke in spotchy areas across the East Coast, all the way down to where we're at in Georgia. But then there's also some ground ozone issues because of the heat. It is going to start clearing out, as I said, Mara, as those winds start pushing across the country. So from the west east, it's going to start over the next few days. By this weekend, a lot of this should be gone. Mara, thanks for keeping us updated. Those poor air quality conditions across the U.S.